Today I'm making one of the tastiest prawn snacks. Golden outside, soft and full of flavor inside. If you've got prawns at home, this is the recipe you'll want to try. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. For this recipe, I cleaned, deveined and washed 35 prawns. Then we need to cut the tails like this and keep aside. And now we will transfer the prawns into a mixer jar. And then add 3 big green chilies, half inch of ginger peeled and chopped, 12 cloves of garlic, half onion sauteed with little oil, half cup of coriander leaves. Cover the mixer jar with a lid and grind. Now we will transfer it into a bowl. Next goes in salt, little goan vinegar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix well. Then add little oil, little chili flakes. Mix well. I added 3 tablespoons of flour gradually while mixing since it was sticky. Grease your hands with oil, take portions of the mixture and shape into round balls. Flatten slightly like this. Place one prawn tail like this. Then cover it like this. Shape the lollipops. Ensure that they are smooth without any cracks. Place on a plate greased with oil. Slowly shaping it step by step, just the way it should be. Every piece turns out a little different, that's the charm. Bit of patience here makes it worth it later. Put the lollipops with flour. Dust off the excess flour. In a bowl, add 1 egg, a pinch of salt and beat well. Dip the lollipop in the beaten egg. Coat the lollipop with breadcrumbs. Shape the lollipops properly. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Heat oil in a kadai and then deep fry the lollipops on medium flame. Turn the lollipop on all sides to cook well. Golden color slowly coming through. Bit by bit, they turn crisp on the outside. Almost ready, just waiting for that perfect shade. And here's the most tempting way to serve these prawn lollipops. Golden, crispy and ready to enjoy. This is how we turn simple prawns into an irresistible snack. Perfect for evenings, get-togethers or when you just crave something special. These prawn lollipops will disappear in no time once served. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.